Welcome back to the Lemon Factor. I'm Chad, and today we are going to install the Greddy Supreme SP Axleback exhaust on our 2019 Mazda Miata RF GT. And I gotta say, I'm super excited. The last video, or one of the last videos, we finally received the exhaust itself, which I waited 2.5 months for. I'm excited to install it. I will probably do this rather quickly as it is winter here in New England and it is 19 degrees Fahrenheit, so rather cold. But I do believe that this should be a straightforward install. I have the car up on ramps, as you can see behind me, and yes, safety first, so please be careful with any install. I do have the front wheels chalked. There's two important elements to the install itself. One is the removal of these two studs. Behind me here, or above me, is the OEM exhaust, and once you remove this, we can pull this out after we take the exhaust down from the existing hangers. All right, let's take a look at the total of 4 hangers. We have 2 hangers on each side. So if you're looking from the back of the car underneath, these are the 2 on the left, and you can see the spring and strut on the left of the 2 hangers. So we have 2 over here, 2 on the other side. These, along with the bolts, are really the whole element of the install. We need to lubricate these hangers. I'll probably use dish soap to do so. Get those disconnected. We have the 2 bolts over here that we have to disconnect, and then pretty much that's all that's involved in the install. And while that sounds fairly easy, we'll see how easy it actually turns out to be. I put some penetrating fluid on the bolts, the stud. I did that probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. Generally, whenever I'm working on the car, I don't know that it actually needs it, but I think it'll help. So we have the OEM muffler right here. We're going to remove these 2 bolts on either side with a 14 millimeter deep socket, and I'm going to go ahead and do that. And like I said, I did put some penetrating fluid on this about 2 hours ago. As you can see here, a little bit of this dripping. So that's not oil or anything from the car. That's just all right. Now that I got the bolts off, the next step is to lube up the hangers. I'm going to use some dishwashing soap. Applied a whole bunch onto each one of the hangers, as well as the hangers on the other side as well. And I will now try to work all of these loose.